Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a fried chicken tutorial and we are using all my products from my new cook line, Star Studded Kitchen. Also introducing my book to you guys. Please go online and order. I put so much energy into this book, so many of my ideas. I hope you guys really enjoy it. We have seasonings, but I also have a cooking apron that is waterproof that's on the site, so pick that out as well to complement everything else. Okay, so here's the seasonings that we're using. My seasonings is, of course, and I like these seasonings because it adds color to the chicken. The chili flakes give it a nice little kick. The hot sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, everything goes into the flavor, okay? Flavor and the look. Okay, so now we're just gonna douse it with some hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and we're gonna add all our dry seasonings that we just saw. And we're gonna give it a nice little toss, mix everything up together. Here's our flour that we are using. We're going to season our flour as well with the star-studded chicken fry and the garlic parm. And here's our flour. We're gonna dump it all in there and give it a nice little shake. So here it is, we have our chicken. It's seasoned to perfection. We're gonna drop it in a paper bag because we're doing Southern fried chicken, okay? Southern. And we're just gonna toss it in the fryer. We have a dual fryer. It comes in handy. I ordered off Amazon. But look at this color, like, oh my God. Tell me you guys have never seen. And this is chicken that we cooking at home, okay? So I think the tutorial was pretty easy. I feel like you guys can do this at home. Make sure you subscribe, and I will be dropping another YouTube video very, very soon, okay? See you guys later. Thank you for watching.